The authorities here in Romania say that Andrew Tate would recruit women, quote, by deception, tricking them into thinking that they would have a marriage, a family with Andrew, and then creating in them these false feelings of attachment, and that is the method of exploitation.
It is the method lover boy. It is called the method lover boy because it's how the authorities describe this type of criminal activity.
A lot of the evidence in this case is going to come from Andrew Tate himself, and I'd like to read a couple of things that he has said about what he did. Quote,
There's no such thing as having girls who work for you who you've not fucked. It's impossible. You have to fuck them and they have to love you. It's essential to the business.
You can't get the girl to work for you if you haven't her before. The PhD course is my recruitment system.
I don't mention webcam until after I've had sex with the girl.
And the prosecutors will say that's part of this lover boy method of entrapping women into doing his business.
Okay, I don't know all the statements, public statements of my client, for sure. If my client had in the past such a statement, it's only a point of view of a person who is expressing an idea.
Isn't it criminal? Isn't that a crime?
I am not. This is a question for Andrew, for sure.
But Eugene, you're defending him against human trafficking.
I am defending
Doesn't that sound like he's teaching human trafficking?
I am defending him in a file, in a legal case in Romania, and I am kept to comment only these stuffs.
Is it like somebody teaching a course on how to rob a bank? And he says, here's how I do it. I go in, you know, I make sure the guards are taken care of, and then I go rob the bank and I've got all the money. And this person is charged with robbing a bank, and there are witnesses saying, yeah, I was in the bank, and he robbed it.
As a judge, put yourself in the shoes of a judge, and you have in your hands the liberty and the life of somebody. Will you need more evidence than two people that say, I was in the bank? I don't know how stupid you can be to commit criminal acts and to go out public and to say how you committed the crimes and not expect yourself to be taken from the authorities. Andrew Tate is so smart, and we see that he has the ability of communication and he is charming. So after so many years, after that, those declarations, to be charged that you spoke on a social platform, but there is not a strong evidence regarding your criminal activity.
But in the 360-page indictment, Romanian prosecutors included hundreds of alleged messages from the Tates to the women. Messages like, I own you, you'll never go out alone again, never.